Hello dear friends, welcome to Tag on Tech channel. In this video, how to use alt text and mentions on Instagram. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. Step 1, open Instagram account, click your profile account, click setting and activity and click tags and mention, okay? Click tag and mention. After click tag and mention, uh, click how you manage text. Click review text. Very good. You can see it, tag it, post and story. For example, pending text. I haven't pending and tag it. I haven't been tagged. Okay. If you have text, you can see tag it, photos and videos. Okay, like the video and subscribe the channel. Tag on tag.